start again. So it's filled here. So in this clip, I'll just show you the previous one that I had already showed you about how to use a 3D model to like finding out the frequency, and I had already said about that. The length of an object is due to frequency. If the length is not really high, if the length not really long, like it is really short, so short, and like the width also short also, so the frequency would be like too high for the frequency, which means like it cannot vibrate. It vibrates, but it doesn't vibrate so much, so the frequency gotta be so high. So let's start now. So just set into part design, just create the body and create sketch. So I'm just choose a YZ plane, click it OK. So you can just move it here and zoom in, zoom out. I just draw a picture, like any picture, any model, but every clip I'm just show it into simple model because because when I'm just create mesh, so I'm not gonna use too long to create a mesh for this video. So if your detail of an object, if the object has too much detail, then gonna take too long. It takes so long time for them to create mesh. So I'm just draw a simple model and here. What if I write it like here? A simple model. So if I just want to draw a circle on here, just going to just move it on here. Okay, so maybe just cut this part out. So just closing it. Sorry, it's coming again. Move it here. Okay, fine. Let's go on again. Let me go check it again. So so let's create new model first. Here we go. Padding, if I'm just give it for 250. Okay, so it will be so long like this. Here. And I'm gonna click on OK. So then I'm gonna export this by selecting all first by double click on this object and export it to the just a name model. given example. Right, same to STL mesh. So here we go. I already saved it, and just open in the Prepromax. Here, two times, and here we go. This is our program, which is Prepromax. Then let's import this file. Let me give you an example. Choose unit first. Okay, here we go. We got our model already. Right here. Here we're gonna create mesh. So as what I said, if your detail of your model is just too many details on your model, so it can take too long to create mesh. But I'm not pretty sure about this model, so let's go. Let's try it first. Oh, here it doesn't take too long. So after we create mesh, it's gonna be like this. Okay, so we got our model mesh part, then we edit with solid part, and change your name to complex beam. Maybe you cannot leave space of the name of a part, but because this program is controlled like so, we're not gonna take this one, but we just choose our material. We just give it on to the material we're gonna use. What if example if I'm just gonna use the 6061 alloy for this. It's the steel. Okay, so it's aluminum alloy. So I'm not gonna use the steel. You can choose like the alloy which is the steel alloy, or you can choose the structural or other. Or you can also choose plastic also. Like mostly I found with PET, but today I'm just use 6061 alloy. So just click OK on this, and this control section, create the section. Sorry, create the section, change it to part name. So click it OK. Then just go on. Let me check it first. Complex beam. Okay, you're fine now. Then you can go to step, create step. So in this video, I will show you about like how to look at the frequency, like when this frequency disrupt it, like how much is the frequency that disrupt this object, and how does it gonna vibrate, or how does it gonna move when this got the frequency in different size of frequency. This disrupt this object. So just frequency here. But actually you gotta choose many types of many topic you want. Statistics, buckle, heat transfer, or other. Control temperature, display setup. Then okay, so we're not gonna waste our time. So number of frequencies. You can choose like many frequencies. You can choose even to 100. You can choose also. You can choose to 100 also, but 10 from is fine because I'm not gonna look at too much. Because this is just a video, so I'm not gonna open all of 10 types of frequencies that when frequencies change, so the object vibrates also change also. So just take ready and click on VC, and I'm gonna fix a part. So there's gonna be one part which is not gonna be vibrate. So look at it here. Zoom in and fix this part. So side get fixed, which means a side which is this side we're not gonna be moved, but the one that is gonna be moved after there's different frequencies, it's gonna be the last one, the last part, the backward part of this one. So we're gonna analyze it. Okay, for this, I'm gonna run it. Okay, so we already finished on analyze it. Then we're gonna look at the result, and here we go. We got our model ready here. Okay, so this is the first example, which is on the frequencies of 397.1628. Okay, so I'm just saying like frequencies of 400. This frequency is 400, so it's gonna be vibrate like this. I'm just showing the video here. And we vibrate like this. So you can take your mouse to look at it here. So as you see, I fixed this part. So this part gonna move, not gonna move, but the part backward here just gonna move up and down in vertical line. Then we're gonna look at second. So it's moving the horizontal line here. I think it just look the same, but it just move vertical and horizontal line. It just move different side. But interesting is gonna be 7. This one shows you that it's gonna be get changed for a bit. And just look at this video here. It move in and out, in and out. This is on frequencies of 5078. Just want to say 5000. So every model as your number is getting high, like the increment, the step. So it shows up in different frequencies. Just 5000. Okay. See, it shows like this. It's very different from others. And we're gonna go to the last one. We're just gonna skip here. It vibrates like this. Just look at the video. And here we go. It can be vibrate like this, which is quite different from the other, and like more. And for me, it's make me more excited for this model. So okay, so here we go. We're gonna already finish all of it here with it. On the 10th model, it's gonna be frequencies of 7600. So maybe other clips I already said before that you can change your colors here. Cool, warm, cool, apply. And just look at it. You can see it's up to you. You want to change the color as you want. Any colors you want. It's cool, maybe command apply. Gotta be like this. And the colors, grayscale, black body, plasma. Oh, this color pretty cool. Right here. Okay, let's change your previous color. So it's cool, warm. So it's cool. Okay, so this is all for this clip. So we just take this model from this. From this model. See, it's quite going to be different from the first one. Yeah, when there's something just disrupt it, then how is it going to be moved? Like. Try to move so people can see clearly. For me, like here. Sorry. We move like here, and just compare to this. See, this is just an object. You can just draw an object, but it will be more important for you when you want to design an instrument or like a part of an engine, or maybe you can just design like a wall or something to like be cover a wall, or even your some pipe, that the water pipe or other. You gotta use this model, you gotta design it first, then just find out the frequency in the Prepromax by finding when water slide in water park, but that was quite big model. When just water flow inside of the pipe, then like the direction of the water, how's it gonna move, then how does it gonna affect to the pipe that let the water flows out. So you're gonna look at here because this is all like data and life of a human. If you get wrong, you get mistake on your calculation, then it's mean like people gonna be like die for that worst calculation. So don't get wrong your calculation. So but in the past we just use our hand to this calculation, we use formula, a lot of formula in engineering, but now we got this program which is more accurate information and more clearly and information that we're gonna see through the program to computer. Trust me, computer doesn't get smarter than us, but we're gonna make computer get smart. Okay, so I'm just gonna save it, then save as to the field program. So we just complex beam is better. Save here. Okay, so this is all for this clip, and thank you for those who watched my video until now. So thank you.